In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know how to get Grammarly installed. Make sure it's active inside Word, understand what the on-screen icon is telling you, and apply clear, accurate corrections to your writing. First, let's handle installation. You have two simple options. You can download and install the Grammarly application for Windows or Mac, which includes the Word integration. Or you can open Microsoft Word and use the add-ins menu to find and add Grammarly for Microsoft Office. Both routes lead to the same place. Grammarly working inside Word. Checking your writing as you go. Choose whichever is easier for you. Once installation finishes, open Microsoft Word so everything can load properly. When Word opens, you should see a Grammarly tab at the top or a sidebar on the right. If a pop-up appears, sign in to your Grammarly account. This activates the checker and connects it with your settings. A quick note here, Grammarly needs an internet connection to analyze your text, so staying online will ensure everything runs smoothly. If you don't see the tab or sidebar immediately, give Word a moment or close and reopen it, so the add-in can initialize. Now let's look at how Grammarly appears while you write. You'll notice a floating G icon on your document. The icon's color tells you where you stand. Green means Grammarly isn't seeing issues at the moment, while red indicates it has found items to review. You might also see a small number on the icon which shows how many suggestions are waiting. This quick glance saves time and helps you decide when to pause and edit. Applying corrections is straightforward. As you type, Grammarly will underline potential problems in red. Click any red underlined word or phrase to view a suggestion. You'll get a concise explanation so you understand what's being improved, along with a proposed fix. Click the suggested correction, and it's instantly applied to your document if you prefer a more guided review. Click the G icon to open the sidebar. There, Grammarly lists your suggestions in order, with clear explanations and examples. Work through them one by one, clicking to accept changes that fit your intent. Read each suggestion in context to keep your voice and meaning intact. You can continue writing at any time. Grammarly updates the icon and suggestions as your document evolves. That's all you need to get started. Install, activate, watch the icon, and apply smart corrections as you work. Thanks for watching.